Hi, we're Mike and Judy having fun in our RV. A few months ago, we did a video where we did 8 cool upgrades in 8 minutes. And from your reaction and how much people liked it, comments on it, they said, hey, we like that. We like that when you don't spend a lot of time. You just talk on one, go to the next one, do stuff like that. So, since you liked it, apparently, let's do another one. We're going to do our 5 most recent, most enjoyed, I guess you could say, the ones we like the best of our upgrades right now, okay? We're going to do 5 upgrades in 5 minutes. And then you can decide if you want to go to our website and see how to do it, or just do it yourself if you think it's a good idea. All right? You ready? Start the clock. 5 new upgrades in 5 minutes. Here we go. Well, the first one is this mattress that I'm sitting on right here. Everybody always says that for an RV you need to get a short queen, or queen short, or something like that for your RV. Well, we started taking measurements and doing things, and a short is about, what, 4 to 6 inches shorter than a normal one, and they're kind of hard to find sheets for. We had a memory foam thing on there. That's hard to do, and we thought, what happens if we get a full-size queen? What would be the worst thing that could happen? Well, the worst thing that happens is it takes like 4 inches of this shelf kind of thing that really doesn't do a whole lot anyway. So we bought one on Amazon for a real decent price, put it on here. Of course, the first thing we did was we put it up, we opened it up and it inflated upside down, and you'll see that all in the video. But we got this thing now and we love it. It's a full-size queen. There's no reason to not have a full-size queen in a Coleman 17B or 17R. Okay. Now, all right. Number two, there aren't a lot of outlets in this thing, even though it's kind of small. And what outlets we do have, electrical outlets, they're over here on this side. So you have to string a wire over there if you want to do something that requires electricity here at the banquette, at the table. What did I do? I installed 2 new 12-volt outlets right here. Let's see if we can get a good shot of it. Come on down here, Judy. I put these things in here just the other day. Now, one of them is set up already, and you see it's, hopefully you can tell it's illuminated. That's just USB, okay? And here we go. Let's see if I put this over here. See that there like that? Yeah, that's for just USBs. And then the other one is your regular 12-volt like you'd have in a cigarette lighter type thing. And so what I'm going to do, back up just a little bit. All right, I'm going to put this thing here like that, and then I can plug in a regular AC type of device like that. There we go. Now I can turn on this light off and on there, and I don't even have to be plugged into Shoreline. All right, we can use that to work the computer or something like that. We're running out of time. Here we go. We got to go get another one. All right, next one we're going to talk about is the anti-sway hitch. Come on, let's go. Sway hitch is a thing we got here. It costs about $27. It's pretty easy. What it does, of course, is it helps the car from fishtailing, or the trailer from fishtailing, and we're hoping in high crosswinds. There you go, like that. We got this thing, clamps on, goes down, and supposedly, we haven't tested it yet, but it reduces that problem. But it installs, you see how easy, just like that, boom, and now it's going to put a little bit of tension on there so the trailer fishtails not as much. The friction door hinges, here we go. We got friction door hinges here. Some people like them, some people hate them. With ours, that little plastic thing that holds the door in place here, kind of holds it in a bad place for one thing. It keeps breaking. So I got friction door hinges. Now I can put this door anywhere I want, and the wind's not going to slam it. We love it. We used it in West Texas where it's kind of windy, and man, it worked so much better, and that thing broke, so there we go. And then the last thing, of course, that we wanted to cover was what? Oh, the roof vent covers. Videos, those things, we tested them out at Davis Mountains. We'd get these horrible small storms that would roll through in 40, 50 mile an hour winds. Those things, and the front stabilizer jacks I put on, man, we thought, oh my, what's going to happen? Oh, this is terrible. Okay, that's my 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out the videos, and we'll see you later down the road.